Hello everyone, welcome to Datawiz Vamshi. Today I'm going to tell you a single cell formula which will surprise you. I tried asking this question using many LLMs, but I did not get correct answer. Here is how.
First of all, we will see the requirement. The requirement is like we need supervisor and location to be here and to be summarized with the sales percentage. The sales percentage should be like the sales divided by the target. So that is the formula, and we need the supervisor and location in a descending form. Okay, the top one, the top salesperson should be at the top, and the bottom one should be at the bottom. So like that we require. So to achieve that, we will see like we will bring those two things here, which is supervisor and location, and we'll hit enter. So if you see here, we are getting these zeros. So to remove that zeros, we can just apply a dot here. Okay, so we have got the supervisor and location unique values, and now we need the sales percent. This is the one which you know actually, but let me sum it up, then you will understand. These things you will usually do it, but the sorting is somewhat difficult. Okay, this is done. And so this is sales, and likewise I need the target also in G column. Okay, so now we got the percentage, convert it to percentage, and we'll drag it. So now you see this is in random numbers. Actually we need the highest sales in the top and the lowest sales in the bottom. That means we need to sort it. If you try to sort this one, then this won't work, because this is a part of an array. If you remove this array, the sort will work, but it won't show exactly. Like see, 136 is showing at the top, and the reference also gone. Okay, so this also won't work actually. So this is my array. Okay, how we can do with formulas in Excel? So that one I'll show it here. Instead of doing like this, first of all you create pivot by. Okay, row fields I'll take these two things, column fields I'll take nothing, and the values are these two things, and the function is sum. Okay, hit enter. You see we got these things, but there are zeros here. So to remove those zeros, we can just add this function. Okay, it's got zeros, and we don't have this header. To get header, we just require yes and show. Okay, we got the headers also, and we got the total. So we don't require any total, so I use drop function. Use -1 so that it will remove the last line. We got the answer with no total. I think you can do it in pivot by also, no totals. So I'll remove this drop function. Okay, so by this also you get no totals. So you can use the drop function, or you can in pivot by only you can just add 0 here, so that you won't get any these things like the total and all. Okay, now we need the percentage. The percentage also should be a part of an array. So for that, what we can do is just create a let function. This one as, we convert this one as main. Okay, this is our main thing. Take sales separate using choose columns. Main we need sales is 3, and the target is choose columns, and main is 4. Okay, now what we required is we need sales percent is sales divided by target, get the sales percentage. Okay, sorry. Okay, what we have to do is we have to do head stack. We combine this main with sales percent. Like check the formula out, just close the parenthesis and hit enter. So now we got the sales percentage. We just convert it into the percentage. Okay, we'll check once that L is Johnson, Chicago. Okay, 201.78%, which is correct. The highest is 382. Same thing, you can see the name also, it is getting matched. Okay, so now what we require is you forget about this value error and all. So what we can do is we just need to sort this one. Okay, so this is our head stack. We will just sort this one, the sort function, in this 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth column we have to sort with the descending order, right? So we have sort this one, sorry, comma, use sort, so that you'll get these values. See, is we have got the values in descending order. If you wanted to do it in ascending, then you can just hit 1, ascending order. But now I need descending order. Okay, so descending order is okay. Now what we require is we don't need the sales and target, and here we need the sales percentage, right? So for that, what we can do is let's The final data will be choose columns of sort. I'll take only 1 comma 2. Okay, I'll hit enter. So now we have got the supervisor and location. Just copy this one. This paste. That's it. Okay. Remove this one. Now we have got the sales in descending order. See, if you see, this is a descending order, and the names are in with the descending order only we have got the names, and this will be a formatted one. So this is how we can do the sorting in the formula itself. There are many other ways. I feel this one will be the easy one. So if you like this, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.